ओनूच्या पावसान लोकांच्या घरांचे बरेच नुकसान जाला। माडेल फातोडच्या 2 मातयेच्या घरांच्या वणटीक वेरो गेल्यात। दुरुस्तीच्या कामा खातीर स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स आणि कार्मेल फूड बँकेन अर्थीक मजतीचे पावल उबारला। पळयात।
That we feel that as a community we really need to reach out to those who are in need. We started with the need of food, but then other needs are coming up, and wherever and however we can, we are trying to be of service.
Madam, don't you think rather than you all, other people also should contribute towards repair of this house?
Of course, that is up to each one. Happy to partner with Donald in this venture. Initially we started by distributing food, again at Donald's encouragement, and now that there are other needs coming up and he has given us the opportunity, we thought why not. And we're very, very happy to be able to join him in this particular job. That's it.
For reconstruction or repairs, so that people will come forward. There's no dearth of people who come forward for this sort of causes. Only people need to know, and the right people should be there. That is also what matters.
We as Street Providence, along with the senior citizens from Carmel Food Bank, have got together and have undertaken to see how best we can contribute towards the reconstruction of this particular house, along with the local councillor and with the local MLA involved, so that relief comes to this family as quickly as possible. It's basically an initiative by people of Margao. They are all from Margao, right? All of them.
Yeah.
They are all from Margao. So it's an initiative by senior citizens from Margao city itself, without any fanfare or without any hype, that we will be getting together. We appreciate these senior citizens who have been with me at Food Bank from December 2017. So they have put in these contributions, and this is one of the homes which we will be undertaking to see that the wall is completed, and whatever repairs are there, we can do it as soon as possible.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तोयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।